In this video, we are going to take a look at JAOUS USB C to 3.5 adapter, headphone jack adapter. So I needed to connect one end to USB C again to my from iPhone, and then I wanted to connect it to my audio mixer or my headphones, anything like that. So that's why I ordered this. This is how it looks like, and it has two adapters in this box. So let's open this. Okay, this is how it looks like. And this is a USB C, and here it's for 3.5mm audio cable, headphone cable, and two of them here inside the box. So let me connect to one of the audio cable. I have the audio cable here. I'm going to connect this one end of it to and other end I can connect it to iPhone or iPad or any other devices which supports USB C, and then I should be able to take the output to any other device which supports only 3.5mm audio adapter, right? So this is the okay. Thank you.